Hello everybody. Ano po ang pang-pito na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited pollution control officer? Tingnan natin yung nakasulat po sa Section 10 ng Dow 2014-02, especially yung item number 7. At ito nga yung pang-pito na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited pollution control officer. I read and I quote, ensure that hazardous waste treatment, storage, and disposal or TSD facilities are properly operated and maintained. Applicable only for hazardous waste TSD facility. So ang isang establishment na engage in receiving hazardous waste for proper treatment or storage including disposal, yung pollution control officer ay requirement po dyan sa business operation na yan. At ang duty niya na nakasulat nga dito, once accredited, is to ensure that this facility operates and maintained properly. Siguro pwede nating i-interpret ito na yung mga una, yung equipment, yung technology na ginagamit for the treatment of hazardous waste, kailangan in normal working condition, operating uh, normal, at mayroong schedule ng preventive maintenance to ensure yung efficiency ng treatment, to ensure effective treatment ng hazardous waste. Sometimes yung pong TSD hindi naman agad pagdating po ng transporter nakasalang na agad sa proseso ng treatment. Kadalasan nasa storage muna, and meron man siguradong nauunang mga hazardous waste na dinala to follow yung mga bagong dating. So sometimes merong storage muna yan, at base sa requirement ng Dow 2013-22 pagdating sa storage ng mga hazardous waste, kailangan maayos din. At lalong-lalo kung ang isang DNR accredited TSD facility, meron talaga pong disposal facility, merong sanitary landfill sa loob ng facilities. Kailangan din nakikita yon ng PCO kung ano ang operation at saka kung ano ang status ng facility. Especially pagdating sa um, pag-check kung okay ang kondisyon ng disposal site, yung disposal facility. Kung hindi ba ito nakaka-contaminate ng groundwater, hindi rin nakaka-contaminate ng surface water, usually malapit sa mga water bodies, yung mga disposal facilities natin. At saka talaga naman napapalibutan tayo ng natubigan. So the equipment or technology, the process involved in treatment, kailangan masiguro po yun ng PCO na it is properly operating and then properly maintained. And of course, ang isa sa duty kasi ng isang PCO nakasulat sa item number 3 or pangatlong duty nga ng isang accredited PCO is to attend to all permitting and registration requirements. Sa isang TSD facility, meron registration po ito sa DNR EMB na dapat siguruhin na mayroong valid registration certificate. So maliban sa maganda naman ang operation, na maintain yung facility, dapat mayroong valid registration as TSD. So yan po ang duty ng isang pollution control officer, pang-pito, and I hope kayo po ay may natutunan. At kung gusto nyo pang malaman yung pang-walo na duty at patuloy, hanggang 21 duties po yan, please subscribe to this channel. please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you po.